Hi, I'm April with WTI. I am in love with how versatile this TV mount is. I can now sit anywhere in my living room and still get an amazing view of my television. I really appreciate that they provide so many mounting options. This makes this mount compatible with so many different kinds and sizes of televisions. Installation was so very easy. We were back to watching TV shows within a matter of minutes. I like that there's a little ledge here that I can store the level and Allen wrench, so I always know exactly where it is for quick and easy adjustments. We really enjoy that not only can this mount move side to side, in and out, but it also can tilt up and down for the absolute perfect view. If you're looking to mount a TV, you should definitely consider this one from Mounting Dream. And that's my point of view.